This is my Porsche 981 Cayman S that we're going to be taking down some amazing country roads, POV style, so you guys can get the best understanding possible of what it's like to be behind the wheel of one of these cars. So without further ado, let's hop inside and let's get going. Alright, let's turn the car on, put the key in the ignition. Still on the stock exhaust, unfortunately, and the pattern fault is still there, but that will be sorted hopefully this coming week. But yeah, let's get out on the road, put it in drive, electric handbrake off, and let's get going out onto the roads. This is the first ever POV drive in the Porsche, and the car's still completely stock. So I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to go out before we do any modifications, before the car starts to really change. So then when in the future we have got some differences, we've got a new exhaust, we can get a really good comparison. We've got no Porsche Sports exhaust either, so the car is as stock as it comes noise-wise from factory. We have got the Chrono pack, so it means we get Sport Plus. We've got the PDK box as well. We haven't got a manual. Now, one thing I like to do straight away when I jump in this car is put the spoiler up, because without the spoiler, this thing doesn't look anywhere near as aggressive, especially from the back end. With that spoiler up, it looks so good. So we put that up straight away, and let's not mess around. Let's start by going into sport mode. We won't go Sport Plus just yet, but let's start by going into sport mode, drop in a few gears. The gearbox in this car is instant. There is literally no delay. It is currently in automatic still, but we're in sport mode. But we'll turn left here. We'll actually knock it into manual, so we have full control. But it sounds so good. Oh, it's so fast as well. It's so fast. All right, so we've just got to a nice windy road. So let's go through some gears. Hopefully we don't catch up to any cars. And let's listen to this flat six absolutely raw. Corner's so flat, and I've not even got the Porsche Sports suspension on yet, the PASM. Oh, that gearbox is actually unmatched. It's so good, and that was just in sport mode. When you put it in Sport Plus, it really thuds you behind. It's so quick. Alright, we're about to get to a very nice road, so what I'm going to do is stick it into Sport Plus. I'll put the windows down a bit as well. Put this window down as well. And let's just have some fun down this road. It is unbelievable. And the Porsche Sports suspension is now on as well, so it's a bit firmer. Whoa. God. Put the windows up. Oh my God. This thing corners so flat, it's amazing. Got some tight turns around here. Into first gear. I love this road. It's so smooth. It's so tight and narrow. Like, you had to literally go down into first gear then to get around that hairpin. It is windy today, unfortunately, but hopefully you can still hear me. That section of road there is so good. Honestly, it's just switchback after switchback. It's amazing. All right, more nice road here. Let's go through some gears. With the Porsche Sports suspension on, it stiffens it all up. You literally feel every bump in the road. It makes a massive difference. As soon as you press it, you can just feel the whole car stiffen up. The kicks you get in Sport Plus is mad. I mean, it corners so flat. No body roll at all. But let's actually take it out of sport, put it in automatic, and let me talk you through some of the stats about the Porsche 981 Cayman S. Now, this is a 981 Cayman S with the PDK and the Chrono Pack. So that has 325 brake, and because we have the Chrono Pack, it means we have launch control. So that means we can do 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds from a 3.4 litre flat 6. And that's the reason I bought this car over a 718. Yes, the 718 is faster, but because it sounds so good, put it back into sport mode, I had to get this engine. It's actually an engine out of an older, I think it's a 997, 911 engine in here, which is why it sounds so flipping good. I'll put it in second. And that is no exaggeration. That's just how quick it's like. It's just accelerating. The throttle response is mental. How much it just kicks you back, and that's because it has no turbos. It's just like it's instant. It's a naturally aspirated engine, so it's just on point all the time. You do have to really rev these engines to get it. You have to really get it past 5k to get the most out of it. But that's where you want it anyway, because that's where it sounds its best. It revs up to 8,000 RPM. It's actually 1,000 RPM shorter than like a GT3 would. They rev up to 9. You do still get the high-pitched noise out of these, but you don't. They're not as high-pitched. Like a GT3, they're next level again of like how high they rev. But you can make these sound similar if you get the right exhaust setup on it. Jesus Christ. This is silly fast. Silly fast. For a country road, you don't need much more. Oh my God. I'm so looking forward to when we do our track day, because we're going to be at Silverstone going flat out all day round in this thing. And it's actually a special event put on by the guys over at Officially Gassed. It's going to be insane. I can't wait to properly push this car to the limit. It should be insane on track, these things. They handle so well, and it will really get me used to the car and how it handles. But if you guys are looking forward to that, I'm going to be filming the whole day. Leave a subscribe down below, because that's going to be an incredible day. And yeah, I'll probably do a POV around the track. I'll do loads of other different angles, and I've got a new camera angle as well set up behind me, which is going to look straight out, which should give you an insane view of the track. But yeah, hopefully we do more than one track day as well in this thing, because I reckon it's going to be incredible. Oh, that noise. When you step on it around here, it's like quiet, and then all of a sudden it's just, hold on, hold on. Oh my God, that noise. Oh my gosh. But yeah, you lot, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please leave a like and subscribe, because we're going to be doing so many more videos on this car. And yeah, we're going to make it sound nice as well, because it sounds good now, but we can really unlock more power as well from doing an exhaust, but more importantly, noise. We can really make this thing absolutely scream, which we're planning on doing, hopefully not too far into the future. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, as I said, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.